Neo, Alibaba, and all Chinese stocks gapping up huge and trading higher today. And this is based on a Chinese state media report indicating China's Financial Stability and Development Committee urged market stability measures and mentioned cooperation with U.S. regulators. Let's get into this recap. Hey guys, Carlos here with Variable Traders. And before we get into our recap, I want to show you this website, tradingterminal.com. Now, this is our website for from BBT to you, has all news outlets, information, and just overall clean structure. So I love what we're doing here with this website. You can see the overall market information right on here. You also have your calendar for earnings, very clean and straightforward here. So definitely take advantage, tradingterminal.com, and you can get access to all this information and in your browser here. It's just a very clean look, which I really love. Let's go to news today. And we're sitting here. We traded BABA this morning. BABA was actually gapped up 20% pre-market, and it was just insane. So we come down here. We're noticing these stocks are gapping up based on some news, and it created a huge pop for them. And right now, if we look at BABA, they're actually pushing higher at the moment from hitting some 87, where we're getting a bounce there. I'll show you that next. But again, this news is creating a lot of buzz. A lot of our tickers this morning on the gap up list were completely on the gap up side, right? So that's what we're seeing there. So of course, that created some volatility for us and some great opportunities to trade the market this morning. Things were up very strong. And you can see here the watches we had. We had BABA, I had Apple, AMD, NEO, MU, and American Airlines. Again, all of these were looking very good this morning, and some did trade very well, like BABA and also MU here, by the way, which I missed. This was the sleeper for today for sure. So two things I want to talk to you about. Let's look into our detailed trade here, BABA. And again, continuing, guys, with if things are not working in your direction, get out and reassess the situation. And I did that today. I was a little bit trigger happy this morning with BABA. I went long here for the breakout. And when it popped up, it looked like it wanted to get going. And the stock is up 20% at that time. And you got some pre-market high levels here that you can try to get to over at 92.79. The minute I got in, it was just hesitating. It actually popped up over here. It came back down, popped up again. And when it came back down the second time, I did not like that. It was not holding the pop twice. Did that twice, didn't hold the pop. So we got out for a small loss here, guys, $100, right? Get out of the trade if it's not working. We took very small size, 300 shares. As I mentioned, you do not have to trade a big size when you're trading these volatile companies, especially at the market open when things can move very aggressively against you. So we hopped out of that trade very quickly and realized that, this thing is looking rather weak, because every time it kept coming down here, it was not holding the pop towards the top side. So I went in short on the following candle. The minute it lost this 92 here, I said there's a good chance this thing can run towards the downside before it decides to go back to the highest of the days, if that is what is in the move for these guys. We got in short here, same thing, 300 shares. Immediate drop down to 90, 95, 50, then 90. So we aggressively took partials out here. I was very aggressive with the partials on this trade. And the reason for that is, guys, because in the market open, we're even before 5 minutes into the market open here, things can move very quickly, especially with BABA. This thing can squeeze up right to our entry in a matter of seconds. So very aggressive with the partials here. Also keeping in mind that, hey, we have an opportunity to cover our loss, right? Our small loss there. So we did that very well there. And then it continued to run here, again, being rather aggressive than what I usually am. If you guys see my trading in the past, I like to hold a little bit all the way to see how things are going to develop. But I had a feeling this one was not going to stay down for long. And you can see here, it actually stayed down longer than what I expected. But you also got a very aggressive pullback right over here. Let me change the color for that, because that color is not fun. You got an aggressive pullback, right? So this could have happened at any time. Could happen here, could have happened over here as well in this candle. So I was expecting that type of move a little bit early on. This actually held a lot longer down here, hit 87.29, which was our level on our chart as well. And you can see how nice this has been bouncing back now. Let's look at our 5 minute here. You can see the beautiful bounce you're getting this morning. So again, guys, continuing with the great opportunities in this market. You're seeing here a little bit of a pop going on now. We got AMD pushing higher. We got American Airlines as well, and MU trading very good, probably one of the cleanest market opens I've seen out of MU. So here's Alibaba heading back towards the highs. Might be a long for today. This stock is strong, guys. Again, they got a great catalyst this morning. Might be one to take off here. And here's the SPY. SPY is pushing higher, which is helping these stocks move in that direction. So, guys, just the recap for today. Just to recap the recap. Okay. You get into your position, it's not working out, something doesn't look good, get out immediately. You can always get back in, reassess the situation. Where's the volume coming? Who's in control of the price action? Is my setup still in play? And then join the trade that makes the most sense at that time. So in this case, we did not join long again. It looked like it was going to be a short, like it was going to drop, and we got in. And this time we were able to make a nice drop there and cover our small losses. That is the key in trading. Keep your losers small, right? Every trade does not have to be a winner. Every trade does not have to be a winner, but every loser has to be small and controlled, right? Very, very important. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video.